Commercial remodeling. Rochester Hills businesses need spaces that work harder, look sharper, and support growth. From office build-outs to retail refreshes and tenant improvements, commercial and residential remodeling Oakland County projects benefit from a contractor who understands timelines, code requirements, and durable finishes. Upgrades like drywall installation, painting services, flooring installation, lighting upgrades, and door installation improve workflow and customer experience while strengthening brand presence. For property owners seeking home improvement value in the same market, coordinated interior renovation, custom cabinetry, and countertop installation create consistent quality across every square foot. Kitchen remodeling remains one of the most valuable upgrades for home remodeling Rochester Hills MI properties. A well-planned kitchen renovation Rochester Hills project can include open concept layout changes, custom cabinetry Rochester Hills MI, countertop installation Rochester Hills Michigan, tile installation, lighting upgrades, flooring contractor Rochester Hills Michigan services, and trim carpentry for a polished finish. Homeowners searching for kitchen remodeling, custom home design, or whole house renovation Rochester Hills can benefit from improved storage, better traffic flow, and energy-efficient upgrades that support daily use while increasing long-term property value. For families in Rochester Hills and nearby Oakland County, a modern kitchen is often the centerpiece of interior home renovation Oakland County plans. Bathroom remodeling delivers comfort, function, and resale appeal, especially when built around a bathroom remodel Rochester Hills Michigan strategy. As part of commercial remodeling Rochester Hills and residential upgrades alike, popular updates include a walk-in shower, tile and backsplash installation Rochester Hills, countertop installation, window replacement, and better lighting to brighten smaller spaces. Aging-in-place remodeling Rochester Hills MI is also a major priority for homeowners who want safer access, low-threshold entries, and accessible layouts without sacrificing style. Whether the goal is a simple bathroom remodel Rochester Hills, Michigan, or a full interior renovation, durable materials and professional residential contractor Oakland County MI support ensure the space performs well for years. Basement finishing turns unused square footage into livable, profitable space. Basement remodeling Rochester Hills area projects often include drywall installation, painting services, flooring installation, trim and finish carpentry, and lighting and electrical upgrades Rochester Hills to create family rooms, guest suites, home offices, or entertainment areas. For homeowners considering garage conversion or room additions in Rochester Hills, the basement can be the most efficient place to add value without changing the footprint. Proper basement finishing also supports energy-efficient home upgrades Rochester Hills by improving insulation, comfort, and year-round usability. Exterior improvements matter just as much as interior home renovation Oakland County projects. Siding and exterior renovation Rochester Hills can refresh curb appeal, protect the structure, and reduce long-term maintenance costs. Deck building Rochester Hills MI and deck renovation services extend living space outdoors for entertaining and family use. Window and door replacement Rochester Hills MI improves security, thermal performance, and style, while siding installation and trim carpentry help the home present a clean, finished look. For homeowners focused on home renovation services near Rochester Hills, exterior upgrades are an essential part of a complete residential remodeling plan. Room additions in Rochester Hills are ideal for growing families, multi-generational living, or creating dedicated workspaces. A skilled team can handle framing, drywall and painting services Rochester Hills, door installation, window replacement, and flooring installation to blend the new space seamlessly with the existing home. Open concept layout design often pairs well with room additions, allowing kitchens, dining areas, and living rooms to flow naturally. Whether the project is a primary suite, family room, or expanded kitchen, custom home design and residential remodeling expertise ensure the addition feels original to the house rather than an afterthought. Garage remodeling Rochester Hills offers a practical way to reclaim underused space for storage, hobby rooms, workshops, or accessory living areas. With proper planning, a garage conversion can include insulation, drywall installation, flooring installation, lighting upgrades, and custom cabinetry for organization. Homeowners seeking aging-in-place remodeling Rochester Hills MI may also use garage remodeling to create accessible entry points or single-level living solutions. For both residential remodeling and light commercial remodeling Rochester Hills applications, flexible space planning adds real utility without the cost of major structural expansion. Custom cabinetry, trim carpentry, and countertop installation are the details that elevate every interior renovation. Kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, and basement finishing all benefit from built-in storage, precise finishes, and coordinated materials that improve the finished result. Custom cabinetry. Rochester Hills MI can be tailored for mudrooms, laundry rooms, offices, and entertainment spaces, while tile installation Rochester Hills adds durability and design impact. When paired with flooring contractor Rochester Hills Michigan services and painting services, these finishing elements create a cohesive, high-end look across the entire home remodeling Rochester Hills MI project. Energy-efficient upgrades are a smart investment for residential contractor Oakland County MI clients who want lower utility costs and improved comfort. Window and door replacement Rochester Hills MI, lighting and electrical upgrades Rochester Hills, and better insulation during whole house renovation Rochester Hills projects can significantly improve performance. Homeowners also request energy-efficient home upgrades Rochester Hills alongside bathroom remodeling, kitchen renovation Rochester Hills, and basement remodeling Rochester Hills area work to maximize return on investment. When these improvements are integrated into commercial and residential remodeling Oakland County projects, they support sustainability, comfort, and long-term savings while enhancing the value of the property. Commercial remodeling Rochester Hills delivers versatile, high-impact upgrades for offices, retail spaces, and mixed-use properties, while supporting long-term value with interior renovation, flooring installation, drywall installation, painting services, lighting upgrades, and trim carpentry. Businesses looking for home improvement style precision in a commercial setting benefit from custom cabinetry, countertop installation, tile installation, and door installation that improve workflow, durability, and appearance across Rochester Hills, Oakland County, and surrounding Michigan communities. Kitchen remodeling in Rochester Hills MI transforms outdated spaces into efficient, attractive, and highly functional rooms with custom home design, open concept layout planning, custom cabinetry Rochester Hills MI, countertop installation Rochester Hills Michigan, and tile and backsplash installation Rochester Hills. A kitchen renovation Rochester Hills project can also include flooring contractor Rochester Hills Michigan services, lighting and electrical upgrades Rochester Hills, window replacement, and trim and finish carpentry Rochester Hills to create a polished result that supports everyday living and entertaining. Bathroom remodeling Rochester Hills Michigan is a smart way to improve comfort, style, and accessibility with walk-in shower installation Rochester Hills, tile installation, aging-in-place remodeling Rochester Hills MI, and energy-efficient home upgrades Rochester Hills. From bathroom remodel Rochester Hills Michigan updates to full interior home renovation. Oakland County projects, homeowners can add modern fixtures, custom cabinetry, improved lighting, and durable flooring installation to create a space that feels refined, practical, and built for daily use. Basement finishing and basement remodeling Rochester Hills area services expand usable square footage for family rooms, entertainment areas, home offices, guest suites, and fitness spaces. A whole house renovation Rochester Hills can incorporate drywall installation, painting services Rochester Hills, room additions in Rochester Hills, and garage remodeling Rochester Hills to maximize functionality. For property owners seeking more livable space, residential remodeling and commercial and residential remodeling Oakland County solutions offer flexible design options tailored to the property and the neighborhood. Window and door replacement Rochester Hills MI improves curb appeal, indoor comfort, and energy performance while supporting siding installation, siding and exterior renovation Rochester Hills, and deck renovation or deck building Rochester Hills MI. These upgrades can be paired with room additions, garage conversion, and exterior trim carpentry to create a cohesive look. Home renovation services near Rochester Hills often include residential contractor Oakland County MI support for projects that need reliable planning, skilled installation, and lasting craftsmanship. Aging-in-place remodeling, residential remodeling Rochester Hills, and custom home design services help homeowners create safer, more accessible, and more beautiful spaces throughout the home. From walk-in shower installation Rochester Hills to flooring installation, drywall and painting services Rochester Hills, lighting upgrades, and kitchen remodeling, every detail contributes to smarter living. For those seeking home remodeling Rochester Hills MI, commercial remodeling Rochester Hills, or interior renovation with strong local expertise, the right remodeling team can handle bathroom remodel Rochester Hills Michigan, basement finishing, room additions, and custom cabinetry with precision across Oakland County.